With the New York Times asking, is America's healthcare system a fixer-upper or a teardown? We must ask ourselves, what is the solution to this nationwide problem? What if doctors teamed up together to ensure the patients were given the power to determine their own course of care? What if they built a health mall where those needing medical attention could go to receive several opinions from various practitioners and have the agency to determine what they felt was best for them? The Nucleus Health Mall will be run by a team of doctors that will oversee a large facility that ultimately empowers patients by presenting all options known for each illness or ailment. Patients will pay a monthly premium to NH and only visit NH doctors and receive all medical care in one facility. All types of medicine will be available, from traditional to homeopathic and a myriad of alternative medicines. This could potentially impact the entire industry and replace overpriced insurance monopolies and poor healthcare options as we know it today.